BTC, bro. It's $100 from our entry.
I like FTM too.
FTM, yeah, I agree. I was looking at FTM yesterday. That's another one that stands out to me. It's like at the bottom end of the simulation here, so I think it's gonna looks like they got something brewing here. We talked about FTM too. It's got a nice little inverse head and shoulder as well here. This is a really good looking chart. Sexy, actually. Wow.
Yeah, I like the longer retest of 42.5, but one
Yeah, I
of the
like that
stronger
level.
coins in the
I like
market.
that level a lot. That would be a retest of yesterday's low though. That's a very aggressive retest.
Yeah, I have a limit order for that, but I'm not sure if it's gonna fail.
I like 435 down to 417 as like a good DCA range, but again, this looks really strong. Dogecoin also. I'm surprised Dogecoin hasn't had a pump, like a crazy pump, since Elon's been tweeting about it. So I'm kind of surprised. Even he can't save the market here.
Do I still think RWA will be one of the strongest narratives? Yeah. I mean, honestly, right now, no narrative is really no narrative is outperforming right now besides really like meme coins. So you kind of just gotta be like patient when it comes to like RWA, AI, layer ones, gaming. So I hold it forever. Though. I mean, that's a good like.
You can't
I
never get married to position, bro.
I think like the market's gonna bottom like within this week or next week or already have, and I think October and November are gonna be pretty good months. I think we rally in October, probably sell off going into the election, and then depending on who wins will really be telling.
Yeah,
You guys,
you guys seen insane volume on Nero. Absolutely, I'm seeing it, bro. Absolutely. Been a whirlwind of emotions with that coin. It's not crazy how it's stalling. I mean, it's just undecided what to do. We're directly under this trend here. If we pop, I think we're going aggressively up to like 62,000. But I could see a
it's
flush.
it's kind of just following that. Like Bitcoin's just been following the stock market for the last like week or so. So stocks are really not doing anything today either. They're kind of just chopping around. And if you look at Bitcoin's price action, it's literally following SPX identical right now. What if Carmelo wins? It's a cold world. Honestly, I don't think so. That it's going to be like a disaster because like when people said Biden was going to win, people thought the same thing, and Bitcoin and stocks still made new all time highs. I just still think it'll be a little more delayed. I think it'll be longer played out. But yeah, I'd rather see Trump win because inflation is fucking crazy. United States people don't have money to buy groceries. People are just not making as much money as they were when Trump was in office. So you're just seeing a lot of the side effects of that happening now. What do you think about OXO at this moment? I mean, nothing's changed for me. I'm just all utility coins are just basically like not really doing much. So it's got to be like kind of. I'm just patient. Like the team working on the beta, like that's about to drop. Everything's about to drop. Everything's coming. Everything's pretty much lining up to come out and release. Like as I think the market will bounce. So like, I think it's going to be like a perfect storm. Gotta be a little patient with everything right now.
Buy food or buy BTC.
Oh, so $10 end of the cycle. I mean, I'd be a $9.5 million market cap. If the Dex takes off, possibility, but if it goes to $10, I'll be honest with you, I'll probably be out before that.
Yeah, I would definitely not be holding $10. I like this level Whiff is trying to close above. What's up, Riga?
Up, guys? Hello?
What's up? What's up?
Yo, what's good,
Yo,
bro?
yo. Sorry about that.
Ave strong too, you know. Making
Oh,
new
Hobbit's
highs.
been strong, bro. It looks so good. I still got my eyes on Muhammad yet.
So I'm pointing for $2. I mean, I think like $2 to $4 is a good exit plan for me if it goes there.
Really good bounce on near. Looks really good on the lower time frame too.
Yeah, I mean, all it's not bad at all. There's some. I like Sol if he could flip this 136 level.
I'm still hesitant on shorts here or on longs. I feel like if one little sneeze by BTC and alts are gonna get hit.
Majority KOLs on Twitter calling for 44K. I honestly like, this is like the first time in 6 months that Bitcoin is potentially making a higher low in the market. For me, I don't know. Like, if we're gonna hit 44K, it has to happen within the next between CPI and FOMC. I just can't really see markets selling off crazy going into the election, and like seasonality. September's always been a slower month in both markets.
Got a
And
debate tonight too, right?
yeah, and like we're finally seeing the first higher low potentially in the market since March or April. I just can't be too bearish right now.
Yeah.
I
It's
think
the
if you're gonna be
first.
bearish, you should have been bearish like at 65K down. Like now you're trying to short down towards the lows. I don't know. I think it's risky. Like for scalps, yeah, for sure. But like on like a swing short to 44K, like I don't know. I feel like that's kind of like I don't know. But everything could change tomorrow with CPI, so who knows? End of the debate.
Up, Garcia?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I think if Trump wins, like market's gonna go. I think till like mid 2025, 2026 is not unrealistic at all.
Yeah, we just keep lowering rates with the Trump administration. That would be ideal.
Yeah, and I just seen Trump just went up another 1% to win the election odds right now.
Yeah, I'm curious to see after this debate. Like, I imagine he'll do good tonight. Yeah. Yeah, those are nice numbers. I even saw the Electoral College was like a 99% chance he wins it. So, like, just that alone. What do you guys think for tomorrow? CPI and everything?
Remember Trump's speech at the Bitcoin conference that BTC dumped? I think it went up like 10K into the going into the conference and like the week leading
Yeah,
up.
and then straight went down after that. It's crazy.
I think you had a short there.
Yeah, I did, bro. Do you want to see that show? Oh my god, dude, I was looking at it yesterday. Dude, I could cry. I closed it for like 4%. It went down like 20. Look at this short that I had for it. Took so long to play out. Like, and then so dumb.
Yeah, I
So,
remember that.
yeah, it was disgusting, bro. I got played so hard on this move. I call it.
XDA. Yeah, of course I remember that coin, but they fucked me and fucked all my followers. Like I don't think I'll ever buy that coin again.
Well, which coin?
RVP back in like 2021.
Oh, I remember that one. I think I'm still holding.
Yeah, Bitcoin was up only after he got shot going into the conference. So I wouldn't say it just like dumped because of the conference. It was like Bitcoin pumped so hard, like obviously it was big, kind of like a sell the news situation.
Oh yeah, you're right. We did get stop B. I held it a little bit and then I closed it. Stupid man. You must claim the L1 tokens, bro. I don't even know what address that would be in, dude. Chalk it to the game, man.
I think with Q4 will be bullish going into the election. Potential rate cuts happening. Then you have you have FTX payouts about to pay out $16 billion to all the customers who had their money on the exchange, and they've been sidelined since 20K. Like I feel like they're about to gamble. Like if I was
Yeah,
getting
we're getting a nice liquidity injection. Should be nice.
yeah, it's gonna be like I think it's like the opposite of Silk Road, whatever else was.
Yeah.
Reselling, trying to have like buying pressure.
You're giving traders and investors their money back, right? So they're probably just going to trade and invest with it. That's how I see it.
I could also see BTC want to go to 58,950 before anything here soon. I don't know. I actually like that 56,250 level you're trying to long a lot.
Yeah, I hope it comes down to it.
We had an 8-hour or yeah. Also that 8-hour flat bottom at 55 is kind of sus as well. I don't know.
At 55. I didn't see that.
55.5, 55.5. It's on the 8-hour.
Yo, good job, Rich. You've been killing it.
I could see it. I could see it.
Yeah, like some alts are making like some higher lows across the board. Like a higher time frames. Same with Bitcoin. Like I think if you're patient, like these are like some good areas here.
A lot of AI coins are setting up for some higher lows here too.
Yeah, like DSync looks pretty good.
Yeah, these things setting up for a nice one.
Watching DSync reclaim like 21.
Yeah, I want to see a reclaim 21 too. Cool.
Mersey, I heard there's only I think only 10 or 15% of the total $16 billion has been bought out by investors. Not a lot, not as much as everybody thought. I saw it last week. I don't have the link to where it was, but I saw it last week.
He needs to flip this 2380. Flips 2380, I could see it going like 27, but he's flipped that. Both on Sui BTC. What's my plan with Nero, bro? Couldn't tell you, bro. I've been taking profit on the way up, dude, as you should as well. I did not take profit on the first go, and I was slapping myself in the face for it. So I've been taking. Although it does look good, don't get me wrong. They got Binance listed, Bybit. Like, this is a crazy, bro. It's 10x in the last, like, week. Last week of price action, it's up 10x. So, gotta just secure profit, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen from here exactly. It could consolidate easily, retest 100 million if it wants to, for sure. Maybe do something like this. Do I think it's going higher? Yeah, I do think it's gonna go higher just because it's. I can see it going higher, but if the narrative sticks, obviously. But I would definitely not suggest not taking profit. Exactly, native. I haven't even traded Nero on leverage, to be honest. I tried to a couple times. It's very small. Like the position
Yeah,
size is
it's
very
like
small.
fucking 20K position sizes.
Yeah, I tried to catch this move up on leverage, but I was a day too early. Where to look for near longs with thin stop loss? I honestly wouldn't even look to long in here. It just looks like if it pulls back, it could go to 150 million. I think that would be a good spot to start maybe entertaining leverage long. I can't do anything here. Even on alts, I'm kind of skeptical. Even yesterday, I was hesitant. It was a good day to long. Right here, I could see us chopping around, and then maybe towards closing, nuke, like a little bit. I don't know. I'm kind of just waiting. I'm still short BTC. You in any positions, Rigo? What are your thoughts, bro?
From this morning, nothing. I expect price to be between 56,580, probably down to 55,800. I think we could trade anywhere there today. If you hold that, you might get a long for the afternoon. I think I'm good with that as like a trend continuation. And for
Yeah,
ETH, 2337, if we can hold that with exception down to about 2320, that's another long setup, playing the continuation.
yeah.
That's what I have for now. I don't know what you guys have, but
I'll take a look at ENA, bro. I got you.
you're
ENA's
short
in my
from where,
short
Rob?
now. You said where are you?
Short from where?
Oh, I'm short from 50, 56, 8, something, and change.
Okay.
So I'm kind of underwater. It's been like up and down. Weird.
Yeah, it's
I
been
almost got
choppy
stopped
morning.
yesterday, bro. That candle yesterday was. I thought we were gonna go straight to 62 when I saw it. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, we had a nice fucking move up.
It was crazy. But then we were like hesitated at that trend right there. So as long as it didn't close over, I should have probably took some profit, but whatever.
Yo, Tony, are you still here?
ENA. I mean, man, this chart looks crazy. I don't know if you could call a specific bottom on this, but does it look like it's building a bottom? For sure. Looks like it's gonna have to build a bottom for a minute. So very close to that trend break. So I could see it tightening up here and then maybe going up, but I think there's better bets here than ENA. Although if you were placing your bet on anything, this is where you do it. Ondo, yeah, I think Ondo's gonna be a strong one. I'm holding Ondo spot. Abe is probably the most. Wow, my God, Abe is the most impressive chart out of the bunch. If you could get 130, that's a mega long. 130 would be the ultimate long for what's up, Whale? For Ave.
I don't really have any thoughts on Aptos short or long term, but I think like VC coins like Aptos, Tia, I think they'll end up surprising a lot of people. And I mean, they got pretty beat down, but I think the market rallies. They did pretty well. I'm kind of looking into buying Tia spots soon, honestly.
As for Hondo Tia, I got check this Hondo. Mm. I like Ondo around 61 cents if we could get it here. Maybe if BTC wants to go to 56 too, like John's waiting for, Ondo probably lines up there. That would be a good intraday long. A better long would be around like 59. Retest this break here. Flip this level. Would be nicer. Alts kind of do look like they want to leg up a little bit intraday, but
Yeah, I just looked at the Fed chart. It looks pretty good.
yeah, well, I'm ready for battle, bro. I just gotta fly 20 hours. I'll do Sundog, bro. I got you. Sundog had a massive run up. We called it here in the group at like 20 million, which is nice. It's been just consolidating, which is fucking crazy, honestly, to see. I did not expect this. Majority of Tron Eco took a shit, and Sundog was just standing strong. Yeah, Onyx, I'm underweight right now.
Yeah, Con, tomorrow we'll be discussing the data print that we're gonna get early in the morning there. I'll be on stream with DB, and I'm pretty sure we'll have like a roadmap going into FOMC. I think as far as I'm concerned, tomorrow we're just expecting. I want to say expectations, and if we get lower than what we're expecting, that's even better. But yeah, tomorrow's the decision, and we'll know how we're going into FOMC. And we've already rallied into the debate. I think people have the assumption that it's going to be one-sided in terms of who steals the show. So I think we've already ran into that based on the PA we've seen.
Muhammad, that's the plan, bro. Let that kid sleep. He just drool. I think I'm playing. So it pushed up an all-time high. I mean, it's trying to SFP these highs. I like the catalyst it's got going for it. It's listing on Bybit. There should be a lot more volume coming in. I think after that we'll see other news, like potentially maybe a Binance listing would be nice, but I want to see like that for like a 500 million candle. That would be nice. I'm still holding a good portion of the bag. I'm still holding that too, bro. Last need to get a Binance spot, wasn't it Nero? Didn't that just get a spot?
Yeah, it was Nero. I think BNB it's good CZ getting out, and if market does well in October and November, I think BNB is gonna be a silent sleeper.
Tend to agree.
I think PNB chain will heat up when he comes out. I think he's gonna make a statement.
You
Yeah,
see, I'm good with another cake run, honestly.
I could see him wanting to show everybody who CZ really is. What up, Kathleen?
everyone says CZ will be bullish when he's out. Makes me want to short it. I don't know, man. BNB's been holding really well too. It's only down 28% from his all-time high. It's one of the strongest coins in the market right now. But yeah, I kind of just think we'll probably just end up chopping until I wouldn't be surprised if we have some kind of scam movements in the debate. But I think the real movement will happen tomorrow morning with CPI.
I didn't realize we had a CPI tomorrow. Wow, you saw it a touch.
Yes, sir.
That makes sense. We'll probably just stall till tomorrow. Makes sense. We don't do much. Yeah,
And
Groot, I'm
into
ready,
the
bro.
debate. Yeah, debate and CPI. It's less than 12 hours apart, so.
Mike, I'm not gonna close around 56. I'll close at 55.5. We'll get that. That's why I'll close my short. Hopefully we get that. Damn, these liquidations are getting so tight right now. What the fuck? Yo, for the past like 6 hours, who is trading these small moves, dude? Who gets liquidated on these small moves?
Gamblers.
Ooh, straight gamblers. 1,000x leverage? Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty nutty.
Looks like we're getting that pullback here. Nice on the hourly. Might get your fill here, John.
His stocks are pulling back right now.
Yes, sir. I would love a fast flush here. Absolutely rinse these degenerate fucking longers. Which exchange do you do 1,000? Isn't it Robit? Doesn't that do 1,000x?
Yeah.
That's the only one, right?
Roll bin. There's another one with like a 200x
Is it like Mexi?
leverage. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's them. The
Next C does
200x
1,000x
fucking
leverage.
slider.
No, that's crazy.
Insane.
Degenerates. That's where everyone's getting liquidated.
Was that max slider? What, you have like a 0.5% tolerance of being wrong? Like if you legit
That's
were to
crazy.
gamble that full? Yeah.
What is that? 100x is 1%. And
Yeah,
then
so
1,000x is
200 would be half of that. That's wow.
Is Mexi safe? I think it's a piece of shit exchange, but I've had like a good amount of money on there. I've never had any issues with it, but I still think it's a piece of shit exchange. Like every time I deposit the Mexi, I have to fucking message customer support, be like, and send them a TX ID of my deposit. Like no other exchange makes you do that. Like it should just fucking freely, if you deposit Ethereum, it should just freely pop up.
Yeah, that's
You
pretty.
shouldn't. You
That's
shouldn't
pretty
have to
sketchy.
confirm. You shouldn't have to confirm your deposit. Like what?
Yeah, that's really sketchy. I don't know. Right there, I have a bad.
Dude, it's super sketchy. They do decent volume though, so it's weird.
Lost some ETH. I like that on Mexi. I never. Dude, Mexi. I hear horror stories about Mexi. Horror stories.
Honestly, Mexi is a lot better than Gate. I would never, guys, do not use Gate. Gate is just by far the scary.
Dude, I have a lot of Nero on Gate right now for some reason. I don't even know why I did that. Yeah, retarded.
Use Mexi over Gate.
Yo, guys, I saw the Teal Street app in Parkins. You know, I haven't used it. Is it an app on mobile? It's pretty legit.
I don't know. I don't know if there's a mobile app, but I use it. I use the desktop app. It's really good.
Yeah, I really like Teal Street. I don't use it often, but it's fire. I've been using scale bids on Bybit. I didn't realize you could scale bids, which is fucking nice.
Yeah, them too. Their UI is getting better.
Yeah, there you
Or their
guys are
workshop.
fire.
Yeah.
Has KuCoin upgraded their UI yet? Bro, you
I've
couldn't even put a stop loss on KuCoin when I used to trade futures there.
I haven't used KuCoin in years.
Me too.
Bro,
At least since
those were the
2021.
days. The good old days, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. The good old days. Level.
Mm.
55.8, I think. I think I'm okay with that.
RQRX, something similar but better. Never even heard of it. OXL too mainstream already. OXL doesn't even have their exchange out yet. Oh man.
I'm bidding 54,633 level. I think that's more of a bigger pullback. And John's looking along 56.2. Rigo's looking, he was speaking about some intraday levels, but not really looking actively long. Or bid, I should say.
Yeah, my thinking is if we lose 56-2, we're gonna fill the CME gap at 53.6.
53.6 is a good. I wanted that level yesterday, to be fair. I could see that happen. I could see that happening. Flush out super deep.
That's kind of how my bias got fucked yesterday. 'Cause I was like, oh, we're definitely gonna fill this CME gap.
Bro, all weekend long, it's been so many good opportunities, but I haven't really been on the chart, so it's like, but like there were so many opportunities. It's been so weird to trade it. I haven't really took any opportunity.
Yo, Eli got it done. Like we told you before.
You had a Yeah, me too. I did. You had a monster long, bro, the other day.
Yeah, I closed it. So I was like, oh, it's weekend scam pump.
That's what I thought too. That's why I didn't long on Sunday night, and then Monday. I didn't long yesterday morning because I thought it was a scam. Thought we were gonna go lower. Ooh.
I had a long from 54 and I closed it at like what 55.3 yesterday. So stupid.
Muhammad, what level is that? I kind of like that, but I feel like that might be too deep. Yeah, it's good actually. I like that a lot, bro. That goes in line with what I want. I just think 54.6 is a good long level, like anywhere around that. Just keep a looser stop. Thankfully, I've been looser stops lately, so it's been harder to get me out of positions. Oh man, it happens, Warner. You just got to chalk it up, and yeah, that little chop is what screws a lot of people up because we end up chopping around for 2 3 days, and then we get a big move, and then chop around for 2 3 days, and get a big move, and then damn, Richard. It happens. It happens. You can't let those mishaps dictate your next move because you'll just be chasing. Shorts and profit now. Let's go. Yeah, I thought you already did it, bro. That's crazy. Eclipse, full moon, fall. Oof, Kathleen. See it in the stars. Big G. Mouse is killing it too. What up, Mouse?
Holy hell.
Oh, here it comes. Give me
Oh
the
my
news I've
bad.
been waiting for.
I'm trying to get something done right now. Like,
Sounds like a fucking casino over there.
bro. Yeah, my keyboard, man.
It's hilarious.
Rob, they're gonna pay you?
Who's gonna pay me?
They're short. They're gonna
Oh
pay
yeah,
you?
yeah, yeah. Looks like it is now. We just closed under a pretty nice level here. We're compressing here, printing this little higher low, so I'm kind of iffy, but I think it's gonna go down to 56 at least right here. Hopefully. Been holding it too long, bro. Too long. I can see us pushing up back to 56.9 here as well. So
Yeah, yeah.
um,
Hard area to call. More towards the end of the day. Around like 6, 7 our time. We'll have more of a likely squeeze. The Coinbase guy still going crazy or did he stop?
yo,
Starting
Rich,
to turn
what
heavy negative.
heat maps is that? Is that CoinGlass? Oh, CoinGlass. Yeah. Bro, I liked CoinGlass for the first hour I was using, and I fucking hated it. But beggars can't be choosers, right?
Stopped. Stops will flush out all the chasers. I guess that's his they're very sailorish. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, yesterday's bid.
Yeah, even today. Well, like at least the past few hours.
Zach, right now I'm using nothing, sadly. I had mobile heat maps, but the guy that was coding that for me decided not to do it anymore. He don't want to get in trouble. Sucks. Ugh. Big G in the building.
Interesting. Running positive on Binance, but the predicted for I guess an aggregate of all exchanges is almost negative 0.001, but 0.007. So it's pretty deep. Next payout session would be interesting.
Okay, give me the nuke. Give me the nuke. Yeah, sure. That
Chanting
early.
Nero.
What's going on with Nero?
I don't know. Unless he was just
You guys are probably long 100.
Nero's at 189.
Yeah. What's going on, bro? Scared me for a second, man. Not gonna lie, guys. I wanted to chill here for a couple days just so I can sell a little bit more because I'm not round tripping anymore. I don't care if it goes higher or lower. Profit is profit.
that's the ticket.
I do see Nero going to like 380 million like this month, though. To be honest, if market wants to continue holding, you can see it going 100%. Man, who bought Nero on that drop though? That's the real question. Who put their balls on the line?
Remember I bought 100K at 125. And that shit went down
Yeah,
to like
you did. 125, and then you're like, Rob, it's down only, bro. Shit's worth like 12,000 or something, or 15.
Oh man.
Bro, what a whirlwind of emotions. All happened in a week too, or 2 weeks down and then 1 week up. Gambled on 3 with a 12 at. See, I tried to catch it on leverage, bro, but I was just like, let me buy a lot of spot at 7. I bought spot at 70 on the way down. I thought I was early, or I thought I was late, and then it just kept dropping. Yeah, I longed around there too and closed early, bro. Easiest thing to do is to just long into the squeezes, not trying to catch bottoms. If you keep trying to catch bottoms on these low caps on leverage, you're gonna get fucking slammed on until it's time. Just like if you're trying to short a move up, you're gonna get, you're gonna get blown out. Will Nero go higher? Let me just ask my crystal ball really quick, bro.
Wow, Venmo now supports payments with ENS usernames for transactions.
Use Venmo?
I like to send my friends money or whatever. Like if you got to dinner.
Oh, even PayPal supports it.
Yeah. I don't like PayPal, so I just ignored that part.
I don't like PayPal either. Too many restrictions.
Venmo's not really sketchy. Venmo's owned by PayPal, yeah.
What's Zelle again? Isn't that like a European thing though?
Nah, Zelle's like do you have Venmo in Canada or no?
I think so, yeah.
Well, Zelle's just like it's connected with like everybody's bank accounts. Like you just send money from bank account to bank,
Okay.
and it gets like transmitted immediately. And there's like no fee or whatever.
So it's like a median.
He's like 2,500 a week or whatever, 5,000 a week, whatever your limit is.
Zelle is in almost every bank, but just not tax.
Yeah, I use Zelle over.
Damn,
I use-
ENS. Holy fuck. You're not kidding.
Well, how much up did it go off
Fuck. That's a 6% candle in 7 minutes. Fuck, dude.
I didn't even think too long of it.
Yeah, I
What's
didn't
up, Drew?
I thought after Elon could have pumped Doge. Wow, what a dildo candle.
Yeah, nice candle. Damn. What, that news came out like what, like a minute ago?
Whenever I brought it up.
Wow. Huge. Muzza's freaking out for sure.
I haven't seen. Oh, he longed it. What a beast!
Nah, I don't know what this he always talks about.
I haven't seen a candle like this in quite some time.
Yeah, it's XRP-ish, you know?
For
Only see
real,
candles
bro.
like that on XRP after it
Bro,
like wins a lawsuit for the 600th time.
After the last couple of weeks of price action, these candles are a blessing if you're long. Tau kind of looks good as well. I don't know if anybody's playing Tau, but it looks nicer than most alts here off the bottom. But then
What's
you
Tau
open
again? Is that the Telegram one?
No, it's Tao's
Ah,
AI,
shit.
decentralized AI.
Okay.
when you open up the higher time frame and this thing looks like dog shit. I think it's looking like it's gonna looks like it's building a floor. I'll just say everything's building a floor. I hope Tau's building a floor because that would I think AI is close to a bottom, so I'm kind of hoping that happens. Still holding a lot of shit, guys. Perhaps let's play for Say. I haven't looked at Say in a while, bro. That coin has the weirdest price action. I figured it's best to play when it's bullish. One of the worst coins to trade unless it's actually trending. Problem, Mouse. Thank you for coming by, bro.
Yo, Mouse, have a good day, bro. The rabbit.
Rabbit. Man gets active in the trenches.
I love it. I gotta see the rabbit in action again.
For real. Mm. Cosmic haven't nope, they're waiting. They just gave me an update today too. They're gonna launch around foam next week, so hopefully they fucking keep their word this time. I don't think it's a bad idea what they're doing, guys, honestly. If you're holding Cosmic, like you'd prefer them to keep stalling because odds are people are just gonna nuke their bags once they get it back. The more they stall, the better your bags are, to be honest. Especially if they hold their word. I can't trade my bags either, bro. I have so much Cosmic too, it sucks. They froze trading until they release. Down astronomically, bro. It's crazy too. Crazy. OPSEC still hasn't released yet? I thought OPSEC was doing that like ASAP, no?
Nah, they're kind of following the same path as Cosmic.
Yeah. Honestly, it's not a bad idea. Like, I'm not holding OPSEC, but if you are, you'd want them to keep delaying it. If they're going to keep their word, you want them to delay it as long as possible because people are literally going to just nuke their bags once they get it. It makes no sense to release coins to people right now because people are just nuking bags.
Yeah, I think
makes no sense.
market is shit right now, so
You should be happy that like I said, if they're going to keep their word, you should be happy that the team's delaying launch. Anything utility-wise launching now is going to get nuked on unless market wants to turn soon. They need to release when TC is looking good again. What's TC? Oh, BTC. Yeah. You can't time everything perfectly, so I would just say, yeah, if when everything's popping, it's best to release them. Man. BTC dominance top. Rigo, what's this week's take on BTC dominance?
It's the same.
All year, it's going to be in the same range.
I expect it to fucking drop, man. I don't know why it's taking a sweet ass time.
The same range since beginning of August. It's wow.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking boring. I can't lie. Like
I
you'd
think
either
it's-
rather go up or straight down, you know? Like when it just stagnates, that means the market really does fuck all. In terms of like large gains, you know? So
I think it goes to like 62. I'm sticking to
yeah. Calling 60 at the absolute schmiko top. Like a nice round number like 60.
Wow.
Unless you give me 62 and BTC's at like 120k, then I'm happy. But
That's what I'm saying. Like 62
okay.
is like Bitcoin next leg up in the market.
Yeah, I'm good with this.
Not like 62 and Bitcoin's at 62 and Bitcoin's at like 130, 140.
Yeah, that would be nice because that means a rather large distribution, right? So we get like for sure runners across the board.
$62. I could see BTC going higher than I could see going to 62 for sure. Just like this Ranger is so tight, man. Once it breaks out, I think it'll maybe not 62. I could see it
I
going
think
down.
if Bitcoin's going to new all-time highs, 100K, BTCD is gonna go rampant, and everything else is gonna just lag like it have been. That makes most sense for me. That's my thinking about it.
Kind of like how we saw it happen the last time. BTC went up and legged from 45 to 73. BTCD went rampant. Right? I think it was on this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it ran up from 41, 44, 43 to 48, 47 to 52. Yeah, BTCD was on a crazy one. To assume breakdown here. I don't know. I could see going to that level exactly, Z. I like that a lot. I don't think it's going to stop off at that level. I think it'll stop at like a round number or something above it. But once that happens, we'll you could then be safe with most alts, in my opinion. Even the alts that are complete dog shit are going to eat. Yeah, Mikkel's been on fire. I could definitely see that happening. Isn't Mikkel in a BTC long right now?
Nah,
He canceled it? Oh, he canceled that one.
didn't get filled or something.
Yeah, I definitely think that if BTC wants to accept under this level, I could see us going to 54.6 rapidly. And I like more on that like 53s level. So I'm just going to keep my 54.6 bias for now. Not even take profit off the short and just kind of let it do its thing. But I like this flip here at 55 as well. So I'm going to be looking at 55.5, 55.6 potentially. I just want to see what things happen here. I want to see get a quick nuke soon. I like that one as well. What was that 50? Oh, I thought that was BTC. That would be alts are gonna just get mutilated even more if that happens. All right, my brother's in arms. I gotta head up an appointment. It's a pleasure.
All right, I'm about to get off too.
Everybody, I gotta give away to that. I didn't forget.
Later.
What do you say, John?
I said I think it's just gonna be choppy until later.
Yeah, I agree. I'm gonna do a giveaway later on, guys. I got you. I didn't forget. Peace, guys.
Boys.